Hi everyone, and thank you so much for watching. Today I decided to play with my makeup because that is a thing I never do. I always do tutorials and looks that are realistic, that you could wear out on a date or to a fancy event, and I don't really play with color all that much. So today I decided, you know what, there are greens, there are blues, we never used them, so let me see what I can do with it, and this is what I came up with. So if you want to see how I did it, please keep watching. Today I want to try out a really dramatic type of eye look with these colors, and I have something in mind and it's probably going to take some time. So I already did my face and I'm going to go right in and start with my eyes. And to do that I want to do something with blue and green, obviously. So I'm first going to take this color, this pretty turquoise color, with my blending brush, and I'm going to blend it into my crease. I'm also going to pick up these two light blue colors with my blending brush, and I'm going to blend it in my crease as well, just a little lower than the color I already have there. Switching over to one of these brushes, I'm going to pick up first this blue color and I'm going to mix it with this bit of a darker one. So I'm working my way down to a darker blue, and I'm going to work it right into my crease and then flick it upwards to blend it out. Now I'm going to darken it up with this darkest blue color, and I'm going to work it directly into my crease and try not to blend it out too much. I do want to blend it out a bit on the outer part of my eyes, but I just want the color to be visible here without blending out as far as the other blue colors. I want to do a cut crease, so I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the color Porcelain, and I squirted some of it out on the top of my palette, and I'm going to use this concealer brush and use it to carve out my eyelid. Back to the eyeshadow, I'm going to use this light yellow color and I'm going to work it in the inner third of my eyelid. Next I'm using this green color and I'm going to apply it in the middle of my eyelid. Next I'm using this rich dark green color and I'm going to be applying it on the outer thirds of my eyelid. Finally, onto the darkest green color in this palette. I'm also probably going to mix it with a bit of black to get it a little darker. I'm going to work it right onto the outer V of my eye. I'm taking the lighter green color, the medium green that I used there, and I'm running it on the inner part of my lower lash line because I want there to be a bit of a gradient here as well. I'm going to take that dark blue again and I'm going to use it to clean up the crease and to make it sharp. Now I'm quickly going to clean up a bit and then do some eyeliner and mascara and see what the final result looks like. going to use this Colossal Kajal eyeliner to tightline my eyes, I believe it's called. I'm going to color in my upper and my lower. I'm going to use this Colossal Kajal eyeliner to line my waterline. And I was kind of on the fence about this look because, you know, I'm kind of just playing around and trying something new. I didn't really know how it's going to work out, and while I was doing it, I'm feeling it might not be the best, but looking at it now with the wings and everything on, I'm feeling it's pretty okay. And just when I was thinking, you know what, I'm gonna keep this video, I'm gonna post it, that happened with my mascara, so I'm gonna try and clean that up in a bit. But first I'm gonna color in my lower waterline and my upper waterline to just make this upper part look a little better. And then I'm gonna apply another layer of mascara to make my lashes pop more because they're disappearing behind the big wing that I drew. Now the mascara is dry, hopefully. I'm just going to take something with a sturdy tip and try and brush it away, because when the mascara is dry it kind of just comes off instead of smudging. I'm going to curl my lashes before I apply another layer of mascara because they're dry now from the first layer. Hopefully that does make them show a bit more. I don't even know what I'm going to do with my lips. I'm probably going to go nude because the eyes are so dramatic. So I'm going to use this nude Temptress lip liner and I think line and color in my lips. I think green goes best with properly pale lips, so I'm going to use this LA Girl lipstick in the color Ooh La La, which is one of my favorite colors, and I'm going to run it all over my lips. I'm going to go over it with a bit of this Wet n Wild Mega Slicks Balm Stain in the color Made You Pink, because I think it's just going to give it a brighter pop. I'm going to use this NYX Micro Brow Pencil and fill in my brows a bit because they're looking very undefined compared to the dramatic makeup look. I need some blush, so I think I'm going to go for this pink one and a touch of this red one. I'm going to mix those two together and I'm going to work it onto my cheeks, but more to here. Because of all the fallout I got, I feel like there's like a greenish hue underneath my eyes. So I'm going to pick up a mixture of these two colors to brighten up the area underneath my eyes. Take this color with a thinnish brush and just run it down my nose. After attempting to contour my nose a bit, it's finally time for some highlight. So I'm going to take this lip brush and I'm feeling gold. No, white, gold, white. For highlight, I'm going to use this golden one. I tried using the white one on my lip and my lip is now blinding. So I'm going to lightly go over it with the gold to try and calm that down a bit. And I'm also going to apply a bit of gold here to make my lip pop. And then all the usual places on the bridge of my nose. And because I attempted to contour my nose today, I'm also going to put a bit right here on the end of my nose. Drag it down a bit more, blend it a bit. Then my lip a bit, and then underneath my brows as usual, because that is an important spot to highlight. Even though I feel you never see it on camera, I always highlight under my brows and like never shows, but I feel in person it makes a big difference. For the inner corners of my eyes though, I am going to use the white highlights because I feel it's going to match the yellow that I have there more. And if it's not as bright as it was on my lip right now, I'm going to be so unhappy because it's blinding when I put it here. And then here you don't really see it. I'm also going to put some on my cheeks because why not? Have a bit of color for a change. And then, am I forgetting anything? I don't think I'm forgetting anything. I'm going to let my hair down and see what this looks like. And then this is the final result. I would get changed, but I don't think I have anything else in my closet that has any of these colors in. So I guess it's lucky that I had this sweater on to begin with. I'm actually pretty happy with how this turned out. Like, I was just playing with my makeup. I just wanted to see what I can do, and halfway through I was like, this is a disaster. But now that it's done, I'm actually pretty happy. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and then until next time, bye bye.